उस्ताद। हरामखोर, आज फिर लेट आ गया। टाइम देख, दुकान मुझे खोलनी पड़ी है। ऐसा लगता है जैसे मैं तेरा नौकर हूं। कल से अगर तू इस तरह आएगा तो अपना इंतजाम कर लेना। अब खड़ा क्या कर रहा है? चल जा 10 का पाना लेकर आ। और 70 को देख, मिसिंग कर रही है।
आज अब्बा नजर नहीं आ रहे।
हाँ बेटा, वो उनको जरूरी काम था ना, इसलिए वो सुबह ही निकल गए। ये तो नाश्ता कर।
वो कितने पैसे देने थे उस आदमी को?
बेटा वो 5000 रुपये देने। अगर हमने उनको पैसे नहीं दिए ना तो वो पुलिस लेकर आ जाएगा।
अम्मा, मैं करता हूँ पैसों का बंदोबस्त।
नाम है और आइंदा भी इसी तरह जो है वो हिसाब जाकर दीजिए।
साहब, आपने वाकई मेरी आँख खोल दी। मैं अपने बेटे को पढ़ाऊंगा, तालीम हासिल करेंगे।
As I lay in the bath, spiders crawling above my head on the ceiling. I wonder whether just to lay here in my nakedness or to evacuate the area. It's okay for now. If it was on the wall or in my bath, floating engulfed by the bubbles or just desperately spasming to save its puny, insignificant life, that would be another matter. But for now, we watch each other on the edge from afar. This is what it is like to have Roger inside of me. You are aware of every singularly significant detail, like a particle of dust on the surface, an annoying abnormality that should not be there, or a bug, like the spider in Invasion. An electricity mains switched on when there's nothing to supply power to. As I lay in the bath, I spot the blood trickling down my face. As it drops off my cheek, it dances in the water. Not as graceful or as free as the dance of milk in water. I wish the vertical slash from my razor was a milk wound.
I don't wanna die. Don't expect me to die. I've got my...
I don't want to cry. I will not cry. If I had the choice of living alongside an unorthodox television set or an unexceptional dull one, there is only one I would ever choose.
There is a time to depart. Even the destination is unknown. Some things can only be comprehended in this very moment, before which no one can know what the unique intention of being is. When they find the answer, they no longer belong to this world, but somewhere else.
We're losing her. Get the crash car.
Oh God.
Ready. Clear. Charge to 260 joules.
Charged.
Come on, girl. Clear. 300.
Charge.
Clear. Time of death. 1402.
I wouldn't be so sure. She still has some questions to ask. And some...
I told you should have stayed out of this. Now tell me something useful before you fucking die.
Fuck you.